with Fernando. As you know, you don't forget about him real quick. He used to own the A3 flamethrower. We have a lot of video of that car shooting some massive flame, also racing the car. So yeah, make sure if you don't know what I'm talking about, make sure you search and go through the video that we have, or even type flamethrower, and you are definitely gonna find those videos. But today, behind me is his Audi S7. Like I said, this car comes stock with 420 horsepower, air suspension, so the car is pretty neat off the shelf. So this car is optioned out with this prestige option, so pretty good. It has the head-up display, also has the night vision, so that's pretty good, pretty convenient for the people driving at night. We have a lot of plan for it, so it's coming stage 1 pretty soon. So we haven't tuned it yet because, you know, winter is coming, so we don't want to waste money now on it because the snow is going to be terrible this year. We know that. So this car off the shelf is packing a V8 twin turbo. Of course, we already did some mod to it. So we have CTS intake and a resonator delete. As you guys know, we love CTS product. They're pretty good in the market, pretty cheap and pretty strong. You know, they're pretty good. So definitely recommend everyone that owns Audi, and I'm not sure what other brands CTS work with, but definitely Audi. So yeah, just try to get all your stuff from CTS. Downpipe, you know, intake, intercooler, all the good stuff. They're pretty. They have it at a good price. So for the feet, we got some Bolson 21-inch on the back, and on the front, of course. For the rotor, we got some pretty good, pretty big rotor with the brakes. It's a 3-piston brake. I'm pretty sure they come stock with 3 pistons. So 3 piston is pretty good. It's nothing to joke. So yeah, going fast, you definitely need good brake, and those 3-piston brakes are gonna assure you a complete stop. Okay, just make sure you guys have those brakes upgraded, and definitely. For the piston, we definitely got the red pads, you know, the wheel, great finish all around. So yeah, it definitely makes the car pops seem pretty good, pretty elegant. So the car just looks elegant all around. You know, the chrome, the color of the car, the black, all of it come together pretty good. Tinted all the way around. I'm pretty sure it's what it looks like, fucking 5 tint. So I'm pretty sure they're 5. Yeah, he just said it is 5. No, definitely no. It's 35 cops and and steady. We definitely got legal teeth. But yeah, 25 all the way around. On the seat, since this car is prestige, of course it's gonna come with a massage seat. If you ever consider buying an S7, so yeah, make sure. Like right now, you can find those S7 for a pretty good deal. So if you know how to negotiate and know what you're looking for, I'll definitely recommend you to go for it. Okay, we definitely stole this car off the lot. So yeah, we definitely got a good deal on it. Definitely happy about the deal. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys can get one too for the car. And the engine that this car brings, oh my god, it's crazy. It's definitely crazy. And if you didn't know, the Urus, the new Lamborghini Urus, it has the same engine, just with a different tune. It's not a new car, but come on, look at it. This thing looks like brand new. Okay, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna age well, and it has so far. And for those that are no car savvy, so this car, you know, it definitely looked like a fucking RA. If you look at it like from the front side, definitely has the RA touch to it. So yeah, it would definitely confuse somebody that doesn't know about car specifically. Also, if you want an RS7, come on, this is an RS7, okay? All you need is get yourself an S7, purchase those big turbos. By big turbo, I mean the RS7 turbos that are pretty cheap, like they're like $2,000, and you're gonna be fast as hell and pretty short as an RS7. Pretty soon, we're gonna have this car on stage 1. For stage 1, you don't need a lot. You can research that yourself. But in the near future, which is eventually next summer, hopefully next summer, we're going stage 2. Plus, we tune all our car with integrated engineering, as they offer the most safe and most power out of these cars. So definitely go with integrated engineering for all your tunes. Okay, all your tunes. Go definitely integrated engineering. Just know if you are gonna do that, you definitely need to tune your TCU as well. You can't just tune your engine without the TCU. You got to tune both of them at the same time. The power difference is greater, way greater than what is used to. So you definitely need the TCU to be tuned as well. The plan is for this car to be ready by next summer. So within the next few months, this car is going to be a Stage 2 Plus, definitely intake, RS7 turbos, and also a straight pipe exhaust and maybe down pipe. No, maybe down pipe, and maybe a straight pipe exhaust. We don't know yet, so we are definitely talking that or getting that figured out before we do it. But yeah, definitely if you want to get yourself an S7, you basically got yourself an RS7. So definitely recommend that if you are looking for an S7. And with that said, yes, another video, and let's go.